Pompeii was a prosperous Roman city near Mount Vesuvius. Its people enjoyed beautiful homes, markets, temples, and baths. The streets of Pompeii were filled with traders and citizens. People visited shops, theaters, temples, and public baths. Small earthquakes and tremors shook the city before the eruption. Many residents ignored the warnings and continued their daily lives. In AD 79, Mount Vesuvius suddenly erupted with enormous force. Ash, stones, and pumice began falling over Pompeii. Thick volcanic ash covered the streets and damaged many buildings. The city slowly disappeared beneath growing layers of debris. Deadly clouds of hot gas and ash rushed toward Pompeii. They reached the city quickly and destroyed everything in their path. Pompeii was completely buried beneath ash and volcanic material. The lost city remained hidden for more than 16 centuries. Explorers began uncovering Pompeii during the 18th century. They discovered preserved streets, homes, temples, and ancient objects. Volcanic ash preserved Pompeii almost exactly as it once appeared. Archaeologists found buildings, frescoes, tools, food, and plaster casts. Pompeii gives us a unique view of everyday Roman life. Its ruins also remind us of the destructive power of volcanoes.